Hi guys, in this video we'll try to develop AI agents with no code. So for this we'll be using one amazing platform called LangFlow. So I think you know that guys, LangFlow is a platform with the help of that you can implement AI agents without writing any line of code. Okay, so here everything you have to do as a drag and drop. I'll tell you okay how to do it. So far whatever agents we have implemented with the help of some framework, with the help of Python programming, right? But let's say you don't know about programming but still you want to create the AI agents, you can implement with the help of this LangFlow. So for this search for langflow.org, then click on get started for free. So just create one account. So I will create the account with my Google, okay, Gmail address. So previously I implemented some agents, that's why it's coming like that. So let's create a new flow here. Okay, new agents I want to create. So here you have to select the simple agents. Okay, so after opening this one, you will be getting this kinds of window. Now here you can create your agents. So here we'll try to create one very simple agent. So here for this, first of all you have to take one agents. Okay, so just drag and drop here. See, this is the agents you have here. So if you want to see the code, see, you can also see the code. Okay, but code is like very huge if you are using LangFlow to develop any kinds of AI agents. So you have to write like too many line of code. Okay, but in other library actually you don't need to write it. But this platform mostly focused on the low code agents implementation. That means if you don't know about the coding, still you can implement the agents, okay, by doing some drag and drop operation. So here you can select like which model you want to use for your agents. So here I will be selecting OpenAI. If you want to use any other model you get custom model, or let's say Azure, OpenAI, Anthropic, okay, Amazon Bedrock, so all the model it supports. Okay, so I'll select yeah, OpenAI as of now. Then you can also specify the model name, which model you want to use. So let's take GPT-4 mini. Then here you have to pass your OpenAI API keys. So let me pass my OpenAI API key here. So I'll copy my OpenAI API key and I will try to pass it here. Now here guys, you can see already instruction is provided. If you want to modify the instruction, you can also give. So what I will do, I will give a instruction here. So let's say this is my instruction. You want a helpful assistant that can use tool to answer the question, perform the task, use markdown format to your answer, properly embedding image or the URLs. Okay, this is my, let's say, prompt I have given. Now let me. So guys, my agent is ready. Now user will pass some input. So to receive the input, you have to use input functionality. So here you have the input functionality. So it should be chat input. Okay, so let's drag and drop here chat input, and you have to connect this chat input. So this message will go as input to my agents. Okay, that's how we have to make the connection. Now whatever you will try to, let's say, write here, it will go to the agents, and agents will give you some output. Okay, for this let's take one output functionality. So chat output I need. So here again you have to connect it. So the connection would be, this response would be the output of the chat output. Now let's try whether it's working or not. I will click on the playground. Now here you will be getting this kinds of window. Now simply just write hi and send. So guys, here you can see it is giving you the response, hello, how I can assist you, but it is not using any tools because this is just a simple question. Now if I'm asking, tell me about 2000 2025 latest movie. Now see, it won't be working because it doesn't have any kinds of tool functionality as of now. See, it is telling as of now I don't have access to the real-time data of the future movie release beyond. Okay, see, it is telling it doesn't have the access, so that's why it is not able to utilize the tools because we haven't added the tools. But it is giving you some older movie. Okay, you can see. So now what we'll do, we'll try to add the tool functionality with our agent. So what I will do, I'll just try to close it. Now to add the tool, so here you can search for the tool. Okay, now here you have different tools. Let's say I want to use one search a tool. Actually, let's say I will use TabAI. Okay, TabAI search. Let's say this tool I'm going to use. You can also use Sharper API. Okay, it's up to you, but I'm going to use this particular tool. So now here you have to provide that TabAI API key. So where will get, just search for tabali.com, go to the website. Now here you can copy the key and simply just try to paste it here. That's it. Okay, now this is a tool. So this tool would be connected, to the agents tool. Now whenever you will give one now whenever you will try to provide any kinds of query, first of all it will check whether this answer is available in the knowledge base or not. Otherwise it will refer the tool, okay, to perform the search operation. Now let's try to check whether it's working or not. Again I will click, then I will ask the same question. Now let's ask. So guys, you can see I got the response, and here now you can see that it has extracted all the latest movie in 2025, okay, with the help of that TabAI search tool. And see, this is the entire results I got with the image also. Why image? Because in the prompt you have mentioned you also need actually image kinds of output. That's why it is also showing you the image. So yes guys, that's how we can implement any kinds of AI agents without writing any line of code. Now you have all the functionality what you can do. Just try to explore, okay, what are the things you can use, and you can build some amazing agents with that. Okay, so yes guys, this is all about. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.